integrity of the electrical loop is important for communicating process information in the field to the host system. What the Power Advisory Diagnostic does is it can detect and alert operators to conditions that may lead to unreliable measurements or unsafe operating conditions because of issues in the electrical loop. The Power Advisory Diagnostic is available on the 3051S and 3051 pressure transmitters and can be enabled to monitor the electrical loop from the transmitter to the host system. So possible issues that can jeopardize the integrity of your electrical loop include water in the terminal compartment, wiring or grounding issues, corrosion in the terminals, or an unstable power supply. The Power Advisory Diagnostic will proactively detect any unwanted changes in the electrical loop and will alert operators to any conditions that may lead to unreliable measurements or unsafe operating conditions. What's happening in your electrical loop? Share your experiences with and questions about the Power Advisory Diagnostic in the Emerson Exchange 365 community.